We heard a story way back when in the days of old. We just sat around among the fishes, walked out of the soup we're told. But how we lost them, how could we have walked on earth back then?
So I made Skywhale in 2013, and she is about the idea of wonder, how nature has evolved to live in the most unexpected places and in incredible ways, like hoofed animals have evolved into whales. Skywhalepapa is about care, and he is holding the babies, because that's actually what people would ask me, like if she's this beautiful, nurturing, maternal figure, where are her babies? So in 2020 I could answer that question. Here they are with the father, and he's caring for them because he's got a very important job.
Patricia actually approached us late last year to develop a product for this event. So we spent quite a bit of time working with her to understand her process and her inspiration for the Skywhales. Together with our culinary team, we came up with the Skywhale croissant cone. So it's a purple wheat croissant cone. It has a plum jam and a honey milk custard fill, and it's topped with a puffed wheat meringue. So some of the parameters that Patricia asked us to consider were making sure it was nutritious and fibrous, and that it was quite low in sugar. And we really wanted a product that would kind of appeal to everybody, so young and old. We knew it would be a really diverse audience at the event, so we kind of tried to take all of those things into consideration, and and that's what we came up with.
It has been a real honour and pleasure working with the amazing Patricia Piccinini on this work. I've been a big fan of her for a long time, so I must say when the email arrived asking if I'd like to collaborate, it really blew my mind. Being able to sort of fly through all her mythological landscape of the Skywhales and really work out who are these creatures and where did they come from and what do we want to say about them. A lot of the lyrics for the song are told from the baby Skywhales, and they are singing, "We are the Skywhales." We are all the Skywhales. Nature is all of us and within all of us. I used only my voice for the soundtrack, and then working with Kimo, treating the sounds and doing all sorts of magical things. It was really fun.
Skywhale is quite an extraordinary work. Commissioned in 2013 for the centenary of Canberra, she's now joined by Skywhalepapa whale, a great addition to a new family in the sky. Skywhalepapa is carrying the progeny of this wonderful sky union, 9 babies held aloft. A really beautiful metaphor of what a modern family means in the 21st century. Another really interesting thing to think about is what art is in the 21st century, and they can be hot air balloons. And what's so special about this group of works behind me is they'll be launched here in Canberra as we lift off the ground, and then over the course of the next 18 months they'll tour around Australia to delight audiences across regional Australia. So I'm hoping that you'll be able to look up and see Skywhale and Skywhalepapa in a place near you.